Hey folks, I just want to share with you something that we got in today. This is a Lodge 6-quart enamel Dutch oven. It's a midnight chrome color. And one thing I like about these Dutch ovens is they come in multiple colors. You can get you have a choice of several different colors to choose from, but this is a 6-quart, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and see what we've got here. One thing about these Dutch ovens, as far as an enamel Dutch oven, comes with the lid packed on top here in the box, and it's got some instructions here, care instructions and different things like that. But as you can see, the porcelain enamel that's baked onto this cast iron Dutch oven, and of course got a nice little lid with it, and a handle that says Lodge on it. And of course it comes packed with some little rings on here to separate it from the lid. But anyway, like I said, 6-quart, and fits on there perfect. Now, one thing you want to do, the thing about this is you can use this for so many things. You can braise, you can roast, you can do all sorts of things in this. And it's real easy to clean up. You can put it in a dishwasher, but it's best to actually hand wash this thing. Now, this thing is heavy. It's about 15 pounds, so you need to take that into consideration as well. And you can see it's being packaged, it's dusty and dirty, so I'm going to get it cleaned up and before we get ready and use it and everything. But anyway, this is the Lodge 6-quart enamel cast iron Dutch oven. And so anyway, we hope you guys appreciate that. We're going to get ready and start using it ourselves, get it washed and cleaned up, and I think we're going to make a pot of soup in this tonight. So thank you and have a great day.